So a lot of times we get the question of what sewer lining looks like or what a sewer repair would look like. So CIPP, cured in place pipe, is basically a felt liner, right? So a felt pipe that looks just like this would be a representation of a 6-inch pipe. Most pipes are 6-inch outside of the home. Inside of the home, they're typically 4-inch, sometimes 3-inch. So what we do with this piece of liner, this is going to be the same inside diameter as your pipe in your yard, right? We take a 2-part epoxy resin and soak it into this fabric, and we invert this inside of your existing sewer using your existing pipe as a host. We do that through inversion, so we actually turn this pipe inside of itself on the inside of your existing pipe, and we cure it in place. And what you're left with is a seamless piece of pipe from inside of your home all the way to the city main if needed.